this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to go, God, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some?
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? So, a little bit different right now. This is not a moto vlog. This is a truck vlog in the new Silverado. Anyways, I hate doing update videos because it seems like people do update videos all the fucking time, and I know I've done several update videos, but I have not put out a video in 3 weeks, something like that. Been kind of, I want to say taking a break, but really honestly I'm just burned out. And I'm not burned out on making videos, I'm not burned out on YouTube, I'm burned out on riding. I'm burned out on riding, in particular my bike. I'm actually tired of riding my bike. I'm sick of it. It wasn't like that, but here recently it has become that. Hopefully this will hold still. I'm using a fucking selfie stick, and I know you can't see me in my truck because it's dark out, but whatever. But yeah, I'm just kind of tired of riding my bike. It pissed me off a couple weeks ago, and it shouldn't. You know, it should be it's really dumb of me to be mad or burned out for the reasons I am. Because I mean, a few weeks ago, I want to say few. It's actually been quite a few. But I mean, a lot of you know I blew the clutch out my bike drag racing, and I did fix it, but it's not the same. It's just doesn't feel right. I can't launch the bike anymore. It doesn't launch right anymore. I don't fucking know. So I don't know. I do have lots of ideas for videos. I need to get a good day. We have not had very many good days. I could be riding right now, but I just don't care. It's 81 degrees out, and it's, what time is it? 8:12. I could be riding right now, making a video, but I just not feeling it anymore. At least right now. Just not feeling riding my bike. But I figured, you know, I would just make a quick video in my truck. Like I said, pretty sure you can't see me. Why does this dude drive with his flashers on? Cause I'm a dummy. I'm a dummy. There's a fucking Prius. But anyways, as soon as I get a good day, I need one good day. One good day, and I can make several videos. A lot, actually. I just need one good sunny day, good Friday or Saturday, since I sleep during the day the rest of the weeks. We've actually had some really bad, shitty fucking weather here lately, so I haven't been able to, even when I do want to go out and get out and do something, I can't. But you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I'll be making some really good videos soon. Hopefully they're really good. Hopefully y'all like them. Whenever I do make them and get them out, I just got to do it. Hopefully everybody's doing good. Thanks for all the subs that have stuck around, even though twice this year I have kind of slacked off and not done jack fucking shit. Kind of just haven't done anything. But I appreciate all you guys sticking around. I appreciate everybody that does continue to watch. Thanks for all the love on the Instagrams whenever I do post on there, because fuck, I don't even post on there anymore, except for dumb shit or storms. That's all I ever have is dumb shit and storms. So please hit that sub button, hit that share button, hit that like button, comment. Comments. I've gotten a lot better about my comments, I like to say. But I hope you dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.